Hi AP students, Sam and I are putting together your week 3 assignments, so he's just hanging out with me today, and so if you hear any little gurgles, it's obviously him. So he's looking very proper today for school in his little polo here. Alright, so to go through week 3 stuff, not to burst your bubble, but I am going to assign a full rhetorical analysis essay. This is the 2019 prompt. It's all 3 questions though from 2019, so be smart about it. You're just going to go down the rhetorical analysis essay, which is on page 9 of the 10-page PDF. The directions are all there. It looks very similar to what you've seen before. Also, know that for the AP test, you can also write the essays by hand and upload them. I don't know exactly how the format is going to be. You'll be able to type it or handwrite it. And so I'll give you more information on that as it goes, but feel free to handwrite it and then take pictures of it and send it to me. That's definitely an option for you to turn in this essay, or you can type it on Google Docs and share it with me. Those are kind of your options there. I put the grading rubric right here, and I also put how I grade you on my rubric right here if you want to refresh yourself on how, how to get the best score. Okay, I also put some tips in the week 3 folder assignment about how to approach rhetorical analysis, since it's been so long since you guys, but also with me, have done it. Okay, so it says for this week you're writing a full essay. Focus on what Gandhi, who is the speaker, what he's doing to present his case to Lord Irwin. I just put some very, very brief reminders about how speakers and writers are convincing. They use logical appeals, they use emotional appeals, and appeals to credibility. But they do that through certain devices, right? The tone, the imagery, the allusion to history or other countries with similar struggles, word choice, syntax, repetition. Okay, those are all ways to appeal to logic, to emotion, whatever it might be. Okay, and there's thousands of others. Patterns of development. Is Gandhi describing something? Is he defining something? Is that helping him be convincing to Lord Irwin? Whatever that might be. And there's many common devices. I want you to use your book, any and all handouts that I've given you throughout the year to kind of review some of those common devices. Okay. Remember, I want you to put short quotations for evidence. And I want you to just kind of embed them naturally into your sentences. You guys are doing a really good job with this. Lots of quotes, okay? Just throw them in there whenever you can. I'm sure you don't remember, but I do. Back in November, before this guy came around, we wrote a body paragraph together, and I was, again, trying to prove to you just how many quotes I can throw into a paragraph. It should be, well, I can't put a number on it, but, definitely more than one long quote. I don't want to just see that. I don't want to see 3 quotes in your essays. I should see 3 to 5 quotes per paragraph of your essay. The best way to do this is to organize it chronologically by what Gandhi is doing in each chunk, which means you get to chunk it up. And that will determine how many paragraphs you write beyond your introduction paragraph, which should have the soapstone in it, the context, the speaker, the audience, the purpose, okay, or how he's presenting his case to Lord Irwin, who's his audience, things like that, okay? Again, multiple strategies per chunk, per paragraph is the most effective. It says type in Google Docs and share with me, but again, you can write it by hand and take pictures and email it to me if you'd rather, and I will read it that way. Okay, join me for office hours if you have some questions in person, or of course you can leave them on the discussion board or email me. Best of luck. I'll talk to you soon. Bye from Sammy.